Hi everybody, I'm Carolyn Caldwell and I am back with day 15 of the Organizing Spring Fling. So we're halfway through 30 tips in 30 days. So far I haven't missed a day. Let's see how the second 15 days go. Let's see if I can stay going with this. I believe I can. I believe I'll see you every day for the next 15 days. And that is my goal, which is what I would like to talk about today. Verb up your goals. I am a firm believer in having goals before you organize, and I'm a firm believer in using those goals to keep you on task and focused. Having a goal will help you to focus your intention, focus your activity, focus your work. It will help you to understand what it is that you are trying to do, and it will help you to understand when you actually got it done. I subscribe to the SMART acronym, using the SMART to help you create the goals, making sure that your goals are S, specific, M, measurable, A, attainable, R, realistic, and T, time limited or time oriented. And it doesn't matter how grand your goals are or how modest they are, the SMART acronym for creating goals will still help you to stay focused on task and help you recognize when you've actually met your goal. I'm going to ask you to do just one thing. I'm following on the suggestion of yesterday, using one thing to create energy and activity in your project. I'm going to add one thing to the SMART criteria. I'm going to get you to start that goal with a verb. So perhaps you want to eliminate some books, decrease your books to 50% of what you've got, sort the clothes and eliminate the clothes that don't fit you in your closet. Start each goal with a verb. The reason for that is frequently when I'm working with clients and I ask them what their goals are, they tend to point to areas of their life, or they tend to point to things, which are nouns. So the closet, the kitchen, the drawers, the paperwork. Paperwork is a problem for me. All right, fine. Paperwork's a problem for a lot of us. What's your goal with the paperwork? Start with a verb so that will direct your focus and direct your intention and help your brain understand that there's activity required in what it is that you want to do. I want to sort the paper, eliminate the recycling. I want to eliminate and shred what needs to be shredded, file the rest. So those are very specific action-oriented verb starting short goals. They don't meet the SMART criteria, but they still start with a verb. So I'd like to challenge you in setting your goals in the next organizing activity or task or project that you're working on. Set your goal and start it with a verb. I hope that's helpful, everybody. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye now.